Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from WooCommerce Payments in the USA, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from WooCommerce Payments in the USA, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the WooCommerce section from the left-hand menu. Click on the Settings option under WooCommerce. In the Settings menu, select the Payments tab. Find the WooCommerce Payments option and click on it. If you haven't set up WooCommerce Payments yet, you will need to do that first. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Once set up, return to the Payments tab. Look for the Withdraw or Payouts section. Here, you will see your balance and the options to withdraw your funds. If your business account is linked to your WooCommerce Payments, ensure it's confirmed. You may need to provide additional bank information for verification. Choose the amount you wish to withdraw. Review any fees associated with the withdrawal. Confirm the withdrawal request. Once completed, check your email for confirmation of the transaction. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transferred funds. Withdrawals usually take a few business days to process. If you encounter any issues, refer to the WooCommerce help resources for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.